Hey guys, Caleb here. I've got the Pixel 2 in my left hand and the Pixel 2 XL in my right hand. And I am a little test to test the front-facing camera video as well as the microphone. In a little bit I'll switch over to the rear and see how we sound. Now the rear-facing camera, that's my dog Arlo. Still outside, steady little wind. Arlo, you look like you're getting fat, bud. Start panning, see how that does. Got them side by side. In a little bit I'll look up towards the sun and see if we get those glares. Good old Pixel days. Seemed like that did pretty good. Alright, let me yell out and see how that sounds. Hey Arlo! What's up, bud? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Oh yeah, good lazy dog. Another quick little front facing, I've got the wind, but it might be shielded by my palm trying to grab both phones. Maybe you're picking it up, we'll see. Arlo, what's up, bud?